The Canon EosR's powerful autofocus system makes shooting video faster than ever. To begin to use autofocus, make sure the lens is switched to AF. Then access the autofocus menu settings. For continuous focus that will follow moving subjects, verify that Movie Servo AF is enabled. The default autofocus method is 1-point AF. This will provide continuous focus in the area defined with white borders. To move your AF area, tap or touch and drag on the LCD to select a new location. You can quickly recenter the AF point by pressing the trash can button. Shooting video with people in it? Consider Face Detect plus tracking. The camera will automatically focus upon the most prominent face in the scene. Touch the screen to select a different face or even an object. The Movie Servo AF can also be combined with the Face Detect plus tracking. If no face is detected, then the camera switches to automatic AF point selection. Need a slightly larger focus area? Set your AF method to Expand AF. Your camera will focus with the primary AF point, but will immediately go to one of the surrounding points if there's not enough detail at the central point. You can use 4 or 8-point expansion. At any time you wish to verify focus, press and hold the AF on button until the focus area turns green. To put sharpest focus on the nearest subject within a broad area, try Zone AF. It's a large cluster of AF points which you can move over almost the entire picture area. Similar to Zone AF is Large Zone AF. There are two types. Large Zone Vertical searches for focus within a 5x9 grid, and Large Zone Horizontal uses an 11x5 grid. When Zone or Large Zone AF is selected, the camera will focus on the nearest object in the zone. Press and hold the AF on button to see the active focus points in green. If you're set for Movie Servo AF, you can pause AF at any time by touching the Servo AF icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You can still temporarily reactivate Movie Servo AF by half pressing the shutter button. Re-enable Movie Servo AF by tapping the on-screen icon again.